So base addiction here. Lithium just came. Do a little unboxing. Once again from my main man JP at downforsound.com or downforsoundshop.com. There's the website. Three stickers. Yeah, it's just a card here. Right here. Got some lock washers, some big ass Allen bolts. There she is, looking sexy as ever. Oh shit, got a shirt too. Hold up. Oh shit, this shirt's lit. Just one more sub, I promise. Here, I'll show you the other side. And of course, the other side's got downforsoundshop.com on it. Reppin'. Alright, and there she is. 45 amp hour lithium. Limitless. Really don't care about the paint in this car because I'm going to rhino line it. Or actually raptor line it. .45 amp hours. I think it said it takes the place of, it's either 3.5 or 4 Group 31s, 8,500 watts with the 300 amp alt, which I have a 300 amp JS alt. So let's see what else we got. Got another lanyard, a keychain, and another voltmeter. Oh yeah, thanks JP for hooking it up. And your car audio needs, he's pretty much got every single brand out there. Besides subs, which the only other place to go is DC or Phi. But he sells DC now, so really the only other place is Phi. So, which they make the best in the industry, in my opinion. But alright, like, comment, subscribe, or like, comment, share, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Alright, base addiction out. I gotta go get this overtime. Alright, peace.